Sorry, Kiko.
Hey guys, today we'll be drawing a rabbit. Start with a big O. And then we start to add the little O for the nose. Do a little W under that for the mouth. And then let's go and do a tall M. That will be our bunny ears. Right. Now let's do a big C. That's bunny's body. How about the legs? Let's do a 3. Can you write a slim 3? A really thin one. Then add another one just beside it. Another 3. That's bunny's legs. And a little C right at the bottom. That's bunny's tail. 2 more dots for the eyes. And we're done. Great job, guys!